Back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to go how can we disable backup my data setting in our Infinix phone. Guys, you want to disable your backup my data setting, friends, you can disable it. And guys, now let's see how to disable backup my data in our Infinix phone. In this video I will show you. So friends, now let's see how to disable guys backup my data setting. First of all guys, we will on guys phone setting to disable it. Then guys scroll it. As you can see guys, your phone system setting, guys, tap here guys, click on your backup setting, and guys you can see backup. Now guys, you want to disable, you can see your right side this icon, guys, tap here to disable your backup my data settings. So guys, backup my data will setting disable in our Infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.